Hello, NWI Universe. You all remember me, right? The Tornado. First thing is first. Johnny Alpha. You got my NWI Championship. And I want it back. And I'm going to get it back. You just don't know when or where. See, you may have unified the NWI and Undisputed titles, making it the NWI Undisputed Championship. Congratulations. You did beat me in the middle of the ring 1, 2, 3 to unify the NWI and Undisputed title. I admire that. That was a good plan by you. But what you fail to realize, Johnny, is yeah, Jeff Ryder put me on the shelf with a neck injury for 3 weeks. I had time off, but you see, when you left, I should say your twin brother, Johnny AC3, when he left NWI 3 months ago, I demolished him. With about 15 tornado warnings. And then when the tornado comes back to NWI, he's on top again. He's on top of the mountain again. Just for you, Johnny Alpha, to make a challenge to me, knowing that I was already in a match beforehand, before I defended the NWI Championship against you. Which, may I add, was no other than a triple threat match. So, Johnny Alpha, my question is, since you become NWI Undisputed Champion, where have you been? Oh, that's right. At home. While the tornado was out, stepping through them ropes, kicking ass, taking names. Actually doing his job. While you got to sit at home on the couch eating bonbons. So, Johnny Alpha, this is what I propose. There's only 7 to 8 weeks left in the season. WrestleFest is a month out, brother. But September to remember is a short time to wait. So, September to remember. You and me, 1-on-1 for the NWI Undisputed title. But it's not going to be a one-fall encounter. See, I've talked to Mr. Smith, and he has approved that we will have a race to 7 for the NWI Undisputed title. And in case you can't do the math, Johnny Alpha, that's the remainder of the season. That's just more time for the tornado to have some more fun. And I think that worries you. I think that really does worry you, Johnny Alpha, because you know I can beat you. I've already proved that in a non-title match, obviously. But man, just because you got lucky one time, Johnny Alpha, does not mean you can do it again. Lightning never strikes twice in the same place. You gotta remember that. Tornadoes never hit in the same place. Remember that. The thing that scares you, Johnny Alpha, is you never know where the tornado is coming from. You never know where a storm is going to hit. And you better buckle up, son. Because you're going to be in for a hell of a ride. And no, this is not no carnival ride. This is going to be a ride of your life. Because when this is done, Johnny Alpha, and I mean this, brother, brother to brother, I respect you, man. I respect you. But respect is not going to come between me and the NWI Undisputed title. So, Johnny Alpha, we're going to tear it down. I hope you're ready. I'll see you at NWI Warzone today. If you show. Because if you don't, the title comes home. So, that being said, Johnny Alpha, the sirens have sounded. Brother, you're into a tornado warning. Times 5.